to kill more than 70,000 civilians.
Kritik terhadap Israel atas perang di jalur Gaza tak hanya disuarakan lewat media sosial atau forum resmi. Pada Rabu 17 September, seorang akademisi Cina terlibat debat sengit dengan diplomat Israel di Beijing terkait Gaza. Dikutip dari Anadolu Agency, debat itu berlangsung di sela-sela forum tahunan Xiangshan. Profesor Yan Shuetong, pakar hubungan internasional dari Universitas Tsinghua menyebut Israel telah kehilangan moral dan rasa kemanusiaan. Komentarnya merujuk pada jumlah korban sipil yang tewas di Gaza, yakni mencapai 70.000 jiwa. Shuetong mengatakan kepada Elad Soshan, atas militer kedutaan Israel di Beijing bahwa IDF harusnya menargetkan Hamas, bukan anak-anak dan perempuan. Mendengar hal itu, Soshan berusaha membantah. Namun Shuetong langsung menyela dengan mengatakan bahwa angka yang ia sebut merupakan fakta yang dirilis oleh komunitas internasional. Ia pun menyarankan Israel untuk pergi ke PBB dan menyetujui solusi dua negara untuk kemerdekaan Palestina. Jika tidak, maka Shuetong yakin bahwa Israel tidak akan pernah memenangkan perang melawan Hamas.
The real reason of this war is that this is the terror organization Hamas that's still holding our hostages. So, replace the UN, you suggest, sound very smart between countries. What we need to do about the terror organization?
My answer is very clear.
Yeah.
Your military people should shoot the terrorists, not the children, not the women. We shoot the children and the women, and you lack legitimacy to carry out any actions in that reason. For instance, and when we have the robbers get in the bank, they rob the bank, they use the staff and the customer as a human shield. You're a policeman. If you do not kill the staff, bank staff, and the customer, you cannot catch the robbers. How can you do it? Do you think you should kill the customer and the staff first?
We really do all what we can not to hurt the citizens.
To kill more than 70,000 civilians.
No,
there are more than the terrorists.
This is not fact, right?
Okay.
Really?
The fact is not decided by you. The facts decided by the international community. It's not decided by your government. Your government have no legitimacy and the right to decide or defend what is fact.
Okay. The terror attack, the terror organization, what the solution in your way of?
My solution is that go to the UN, work with the UN, and agree the two-state solution to establish a state of Palestine. Then you have two states, and you can work together with the Palestinians together to fight against terrorists. If you do not work with the Palestinians together, you can never win the war over terrorism.
But this specific war will end when the terror organization will release all our hostages and will give up his weapon, because we can't stop the war as long as we have the hostages.
No, this kind of propaganda have too many. No one believe it.
Too many what?
Too many. Too much. No one believe it. Except few Israelis.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.